Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in Santander Bank app on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the app. Unlock your iPhone and tap the Santander mobile banking app. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. You can log in using Face ID or Touch ID or your personal PIN depending on your settings. Step 3. Login with Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric is enabled, simply look at your phone or place your finger on the sensor. The app will securely confirm your identity. Step 4. Login with PIN code. If biometrics are not enabled, enter your Santander mobile PIN on the screen. Make sure no one else can see your PIN while typing. Step 5. Successfully log in. After logging in, you will take into the home screen where you can see your account balance, credit cards, payments, and recent transactions. Step 6. Security reminder and help. For your security, never share your PIN or phone. If you have trouble logging in, tap forward PIN or contact Santander customer support directly through the app. And that's how you can log in into Santander mobile banking app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.